Hey, it's me, Naturally TC, coming at you with this Frizz video. So I started offering this service to my lock clients. I know that there are some locticians that do locksmithing, which gets rid of the frizz on the locks. Now, back in the day, y'all know I used to just get my little shears and cut off all them little frizzy hairs. And, you know, I seen this professional lock salon doing it. Like, they just clip off the frizz. And I was like, now, my YouTube community told me that is a no. So I do not do it no more. And I'm not good at locksmithing. I just really cannot do my hand like that. But what I have come up with is something similar to locksmithing. And basically what I do is go down the lock and I literally grab those little hairs and wrap them around the lock. So if you know people that do like faux locks, it's the same thing where you take the weave and wrap it around the braid. Well, I am literally taking those small little hairs that are frizzed out and wrapping them around the entire lock. Now, this service does take some time. I do charge an additional fee for it, but the outcome is really nice. You know, your locks are more tame, they're more together, and I'm sure I'm looking forward to seeing what it looks like when she comes back, because I want to see if there's like if the frizz shouldn't just pop back out. They actually should be molded. Now, I did do it after I did her retwist. So I did her retwist, and while the hair, you know, her roots were dry, her ends were still a little bit damp. I'm using the Main Life oil on my hands because the oil will help seal those. And then all I'm doing is taking those little strands of hair and wrapping them around. Yeah, so you see I am actually picking up those hairs and winding them around. And if you can see the ones in the back, they're a lot more frizzy because I haven't done that side. So later on in a video, I'm going to pull them down so where you could actually see the difference in those that have been done and those that are not done. But look at that. See, there's one that's done and one that's not done. Totally different when you get those, you know. And some people don't like those frizzy ends. And this particular client, she's actually from Africa, and this is her second set of locks because I think she cut them off at one point and then she relocked them again. And she was saying that she doesn't like the frizz, but her hair was never like that in Africa. And because we're in Florida, you know, there's a lot of humidity in our air, so we keep that moisture in the air. So that's probably why her locks are not the same as they were when she was in Africa, because of the moisture that's in the air. I guess, you know, Africa is really dry, so you don't have that external moisture in the air. And when you just see me do that palm roll, what I was doing was applying the oil to the hair before I wrap it. So yeah, enjoy the rest of this video. I love you guys. Love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Share with a friend. We're coming back at you with some more content really soon. It's gonna get better, I promise. I don't know why I gotta say it to y'all. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I am Naturally TC. Till next time.